Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to a fun little read that I'm doing today. Last 2 days of the month, I didn't want to do anything serious. Of course, your in-depth love readings will be as always on. Today I'll just do a fun read for you to check on your secret admirer. Let's see the person who has their eye on you, how they feel about you. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Scorpio gang and send them the messages they need to hear about the person who's their secret admirer. Let's begin. So Scorpio, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And newbies, this is just a little mini read. I hope you join us again for the in-depth love readings. Do subscribe to the channel, join us. Bottom of my deck, I have the Six of Swords. Somebody sees peace and harmony with you. Somebody really, oh my God, 10 of Pentacles. You know what, I'm going to take 3 clarifiers and then we'll start the reading, Scorpio, okay? So 3 clarifiers, Spirit, for these 3 cards, please. For Scorpio's new love, secret admirer. Beautiful cards though, Scorpio. Oh, somebody's a bit stressed out though. Somebody's a bit, I think this, whoever the secret admirer of yours is, sees a future with you. They want the 10 of Pentacles and nothing short of that. They really feel that, you know, you guys work very well together or can work very well together. They see that they can have a very peaceful, harmonious future with you because this is like an equal match. You give to me, I give to you, and we live forever and ever in peace and harmony. This is how they see you, that you are an ideal mate, ideal partner, where they can have this, you know, long-term partnership with. So, 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. They want to come forward with a love offer. Page of Cups. They really do want to come maybe with a little flirty message or something, but don't be fooled. This person is not just coming in with a, you know, flirty text or a message or come, let's, you know, meet for a drink. They have an agenda. They want to take this right to the end. I mean, they want to start this chapter which will go into marriage, into commitment, into long term with you. So they may have a friend or somebody that you probably already know, or maybe somebody's going to come towards you behaving like a Page of Cups and, you know, try and strike up a friendship or conversation with you, but they know that you're the one. You're the one they want to eventually settle down with. Okay, that's nice. 3 of Pentacles, Spirit. The Lovers. Oh my God, this person is very sneaky. Whoever this person is, they're showing up as a page, but my God, look at what they have in their mind. They see you as their person, their soulmate, lovers. They find you very, very attractive, and they're very attracted to you. They want it all with you. They want everything with you. I mean, I'm stuttering right now seeing these cards. They see a long-term good partnership with you here, Scorpio. What's this 6 of Pentacles? Page of Wands. Yes, they're coming. If they haven't come already, they are coming. You'll soon receive a message or something from this person who you feel is just a friend, is just being sweet and innocent and flirty or whatever. But believe it or not, under the garb of this innocence is this, the lovers. This is what they really want, and it's just not to have sex with you or to flirt with you. This person means business. They see long term with you. They see peace, happiness. They are seeing a future with you, Scorpio. They look into the future and they see that this can really work. This is what they want. The Wheel of Fortune in their favor. So let's see if this person can say something to you, what that would be. Let's spy on them a little bit. Scorpio's person, Spirit, if they could say something right now to Scorpio, what would that be? This secret admirer of theirs. One more. They're shy. Okay. Alright. So the first card here says, I write you messages, then delete them because I just don't know what to say. I'm so sorry because I know that my silence is hurting you. I'm healing and trying to find the strength to be honest with you about how I truly feel. So maybe you already know this person, Scorpio. Yeah, they may have come across very light and breezy, and you may have gotten irritated because maybe you expected more. So now they're saying, I'm trying to find my strength to actually tell you what I actually feel. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down yet. Maybe that's what they implied, or this is the impression they gave. But I'm telling you, this is just an impression. They may come across flirty and light, but heart of hearts, they're dead sure they want a happily ever after with you. Yes, this person is pretending, whoever this person is. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about. I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. So this could also be an old friend of yours who's known you for some time, and they've always pretended like, hey, I like to keep it casual and I'm not interested in settling down. Heart of hearts, their heart pounds when they meet you because they know that you're the one. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. So that's your messages. Those are your messages from your secret admirer. Scorpio, now think who this could be, and I'll see you again on Wednesday for your love read. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.